In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website using GoDaddy, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you want to get your website online quickly without getting stuck on the technical setup, this walkthrough will make the process simple and easy to follow. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log in to your GoDaddy account. Go to the GoDaddy website, enter your login details, and sign into the account that has your hosting plan attached. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the services connected to your account, including domain names, hosting, and website tools. Click My Products to continue. Now scroll down until you find your web hosting plan. Under Web Hosting, you'll see a Manage button. Click Manage to open the hosting dashboard for your website. This is the area where you can control the setup of your hosting environment and start building your site. After that, you'll see an option to create a new site. Select Create a New Site because this is the beginning of the WordPress installation process. GoDaddy will now ask you to choose a data center. This step matters because the closer the data center is to your audience, the better your site performance can be. If your visitors are mostly in one region, pick the best data center based on your location so your website can load as efficiently as possible. Once that's selected, GoDaddy will ask you to confirm the type of website you want to create. Make sure it is set to WordPress website. This is important because WordPress is the content management system you'll use to design, manage, and publish your site. Next, you'll need to choose a WordPress username. Pick a username you can remember, and make sure it's something secure and professional. This will be part of your WordPress login, so choose carefully. After you've entered the username, double-check your settings one last time. If everything looks correct, click Create My Site. GoDaddy will now begin setting up your WordPress website automatically. Depending on the setup, this may take a few moments, but once it's finished, your site will be ready to use. From there, you can move on to customizing your theme, adding pages, installing plugins, and starting to build your content. And that's it. You've now created a WordPress website using GoDaddy. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.